This is Form 130U, the application for Texas title and registration. You use it whenever a vehicle changes hands, when you buy a car, receive one, or move to Texas. File it at your county tax office within 30 days of the sale, or penalties start to add up. Let's fill it out for a used car purchase. First, choose what you're applying for. When you buy a vehicle, you'll usually want both title and registration, so we check that box. Next, describe the vehicle exactly as it appears on the title. The VIN, year, make, body style, model, and color, plus the license plate number and the current odometer reading with no tenths. Now the owner. Choose your type, here, an individual. Then give your photo ID number, your full name, your mailing address, and your county of residence. Enter the previous owner, the person you bought it from, along with your contact phone and email. Texas charges a motor vehicle sales tax of 6.25%, calculated on the sales price or the state's standard presumptive value, whichever is higher. Enter the sales price and the tax. Then check the application fee box. Both people print their name, then sign and date the form by hand, the seller, and you as the new owner. Take the finished form to your county tax office within 30 days with the signed title, proof of insurance, and your ID. Fill yours out free at FormsPal, then download and print it. This is general information, not legal or tax advice.